A little bird told me that you had ants in your pants and couldn't wait for this amazing video. So here it is, some of the common animal idioms in English. Hi everyone, welcome to English Skill Hub. In this video, I want to learn you some idioms about animals. If you're ready, let's get started. Have ants in your pants. It means that to not be able to be calm because you are very excited or worried. For example, I've got ants in my pants because I have to give a presentation at work tomorrow. It means that I'm excited because I have a presentation tomorrow at work.
I am chilling. Oh my god, you have ants in your pants. What? What are you talking about? No, it's an idiom.
Butterflies in your stomach. What does it mean? It means that a feeling of being very nervous or frightened about something. For example, she always has butterflies in her stomach before a test. It means that she always feels very nervous before a test.
Then felt butterflies in your stomach? And then realized you forgot to put on pants? Don't worry.
A little bird told me. What does it mean? It means that used to say that you've heard something about someone from someone else. For example, a little bird told me that your birthday is coming up. It means that I heard from someone else that your birthday is coming up.
Well, a little bird told me that you and Leslie hooked up last night.
Let the cat out of the bag. It means that to allow a secret to be known. For example, Tim let the cat out of the bag and told me about my surprise birthday party. It means that Tim allowed me to know about the secret about surprise birthday party.
Sing together?
It's the big deal. Susan knows the cat's out of the bag.
Hold your horses. What does it mean? It means that you used to tell someone to slow down, wait, or be patient. For example, just hold your horses and let us think about this for a moment. It means that slow down, wait, or be patient. And let us think about this for a moment.
Man, I'm coming to your house. Whoa, hold your horses, man. What's the problem?
The lion's share, what does it mean? It means the largest part or most of something. For example, she didn't do much, but she got the lion's share of the attention from the teachers. It means that she didn't do anything special, but she got the most of the attention from the teachers.
And you guys made the lion's share.
The lion's share of Cora's fortune.
When pigs fly, it means something is possible to happen. Sarah said she will go on a date with Jim when pigs fly. It means that Sarah said she will never go on a date with Jim.
Yeah, when pigs fly.
Just say it'll happen when pigs fly.
Yeah, right, when pigs fly.
If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.